So this is the 20th floor 1384 carpet infinity lounge 3 bed. As you enter, you have like a massive living dining space. The living room is good enough to fit in an 8-seater sofa. Even the dining space is good enough for having an 8-seater, plus you would be having more space for keeping a crockery cupboard. As you enter, right at the left side you have the first guest bedroom, which is 17.5 by 11 with the attached bathroom. All the finishing that we have done is Italian marble throughout the house. This is our Botticino Italian marble. Even in the bathrooms, on the flooring, sink, walls, everything would be completely done up. You would be also having the glass partition and all the bathroom fittings. Even the doors that we have used, even for the living room and all the doors of the bedrooms, these are Burmese teak wood with veneer finish on it, white ant resistant, termite resistant, and also in case of fire, these doors can withhold 2 hours of fire, can contain themselves. As you enter, right opposite the dining space, you have the kitchen. So in the kitchen, the entire modular kitchen would be completely given. So you would be having the drawers, the cabinets as well, and on the platform. The platform is Dado quartz. The same material has been repeated on the wall as well. Plus, apart from a space for a sink, you also have a space for a separate dishwasher. Also, mind you, the storage cabinets are double storage cabinets. Usually, most of the builders provide single storage cabinets. Now, as we enter, this is the second bedroom, which is the kids' bedroom. So this is of 12 by 11 size, good enough for having a bed, side table, and also you will be having space for your study desk. The entire wardrobes can be lined up along this wall here, and this is the view from the window. So you have like complete mangroves view. Also, the windows that we have used, so these windows are your double glazed windows. They are soundproof, heat resistant and UV resistant as well. So they are Belgium windows. Right opposite the kids' bedroom, we have the common bathroom. The same Italian marble is used on the sink as well as on the walls. And all the bathroom fittings would be completely provided, including the glass partition. So they are Belgium windows. Right opposite the kids' bedroom, we have the common bathroom. The same Italian marble is used on the sink as well as on the walls, and all the bathroom fittings would be completely provided, including the glass partition. So this door here opens up to the dry area, which is almost of 86 square feet. Here you have additional space for washing machine and the dryer. Plus you get an ample storage space. So you can have your cupboards and other storage materials. All the AC outdoor units would be kept here. Now we enter the master bedroom. So this master bedroom is 16 by 11 with an additional semicircle space of 90 square feet, which we call it as the Infinity Lounge. So in terms of the direction, we are completely facing the east direction here. So you can have morning sunlight not only in the bedroom but also in all the rooms along this line. So the east is in this direction. So morning sunlight would be there in all the bedrooms and the living room and the kitchen as well. So there would be a complete glass right in the front along the semicircle stretch, and this would be floor to ceiling fixed glass, which would be giving you 180 degrees view of complete mangroves. Now the entry to the bathroom would be from this side. Again, all the bathroom fittings would be completely given, including the marble. Also, the entire house would be having 6 ACs. Each of the bedrooms would be having one. Also, your Semicircle space would be having a small AC right here, and there would be one in the living room and one in the dining space here. Also, the entire house would be having the sprinkler system in case of sort of like a firefighting system, and there would be a video door phone for safety purposes. Just wanted to give you a look on how the view would be from the living room. Again, you have like a complete view of mangroves, and this is the entire Mulund area stretch that you can see.